Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
The hot weather is partly what makes Orlando so special when you're visiting Universal and Disney, especially from abroad. However, it's important to stay well hydrated. And rather than drinking lots of pop and soda, it's great to also be well hydrated with water. Now, in the parks, you'll find that the bottled water is marked up. Fortunately, there are a number of free alternatives for getting a cold, refreshing drink of water. Not many people know, but there's access to the Coca-Cola freestyle machines throughout the park, and they dispense free water. Similarly, a number of restaurants have free water fountains which you can use to refill one of your water bottles. Alternatively, you can also ask inside the restaurant for a cup of water, and they'll provide that with or without ice, free of charge for you.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.